This video is sponsored by Mala, manufacturers of engine components, filters, and peripherals. Visit mala-aftermarket.com for more information.
Hi, I'm Josh Cable, editor of Counterman. Customers typically buy a gasket if their engine has an oil, coolant, vacuum, or exhaust leak. They also might need certain gaskets if they're rebuilding an engine or replacing other engine components such as valve springs, rocker arms, push rods, lifters, a camshaft, a water pump, or a cylinder head, to name a few. But if a customer comes in looking for a gasket, there are other sales opportunities to explore. That's because most repairs that involve replacing major gaskets also involve changing or replacing related fluids, filters, and parts. That includes fasteners such as torque-to-yield head bolts, which should not be reused. So here's an example. A head gasket repair also will require antifreeze and probably new hoses and clamps. If the old gasket was leaking coolant in the crankcase, you also might want to recommend an oil and filter change. The same goes for an intake manifold gasket repair. The best way to sell gaskets is to talk about the repair with your customer to find out what they're replacing and what gaskets and seals they need. Along the way, think about the related fluids, filters, and parts they might need to complete the repair. I'm Josh Cable. Thanks for watching.